Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. My husband and I recently found a fantastic stainless steel shaker made by Smartshake. We absolutely love using it for our post or pre workout protein shake. This is even perfect for just carrying your water, electrolytes, or any drink you prefer. This shaker bottle is so well made and differs from the rest. The agitator to mix my protein powder allows it to get a quiet and lump free shake, which I really appreciate. Most of the bottles I've had before are super noisy, but this one is not. I also like that this is removable, so it's very easy to wash well. I also appreciate the carry handle, which makes it super convenient to take everywhere, whether it's to school, work, or the gym. The top lid is leak proof as well. Plus, the measurement inside the bottle ensures I can make the perfect drink every time. The silicone material in the outside makes it safe to place anywhere without breaking it or scratching it. I love the versatility of this stainless steel bottle. I use it for the gym, to go to the park, or to go to work. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a reliable and convenient shaker bottle. And that's my point of view.